Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. Baiklah, pada hari ini saya akan membincangkan tentang fizik buku activity book soalan nombor 7 A dengan B. Okay, kita tengok soalan 7A. The following figure show a radar that uses microwave to detect and determine the position of an airplane in the air. A. State one physical phenomenon used in the radar as shown in the above figure. Kenapa kita panggil dia reflection wave? Ni sebab radar dia akan menghasilkan wave dia sendiri, ataupun kita boleh panggil dia radio wave, kat apa-apa objek di udara. So bila ada pantulan, bila contoh dia berlanggar dengan benda di udara tu, kapal terbang, the reflected wave will go back to the radar, and the radar will detect it and will recognize there is any object on the air. Because of that, the answer is reflection of wave. Kemudian B, radio wave used in radar and sonar is used to detect position of fish under the ship. State the differences between radio wave and sound wave. Okay, jawapan saya, radio wave is the type of electromagnetic wave. Ini sebab memang dalam radio wave, dia dah dalam kategori, kita tengok, radio wave are a type of electromagnetic radiation with wavelength in the electromagnetic spectrum. Maksudnya, radio wave ni dah sedia ada dalam electromagnetic spectrum. So, dia termasuk dalam electromagnetic radiation ataupun electromagnetic wave. Lepas tu dia, ini fakta sikit lah, longer than infrared light. So memang dia electromagnetic wave. Electromagnetic wave ni maksudnya dia terbahagi kepada dua, iaitu electric wave dan magnetic wave. And then it can propagate without medium. Because of what? Electric and magnetic wave, dia saling memberikan, it can generate energy towards each other. So it can move without transfer of energy to the medium. What kind of medium? Medium like water, particle, solid, liquid dan gas. Mereka tak perlukan benda-benda tu sebab mereka saling generate energy and can transfer without a medium. And then it move faster. Moves faster because they can generate energy to each other. Because of this, dia tak akan dia memang laju, sangat laju. Kelajuan dia boleh dikatakan as speed of light. Sebab generate to each other, electrical energy dengan magnetic wave generate each other and can move faster. And then while sound wave is the type of longitudinal wave. Because of what? Sebab only sound wave is longitudinal wave. Sebab dia bergerak the propagation is parallel to its between the propagation. The propagation is parallel to each other. So dia adalah type of longitudinal wave. Dan dia sajalah yang longitudinal wave, and it cannot propagate without medium because dia tak ada energy sendiri untuk dia nak transfer ke tempat lain. So it must use the medium such as solid, liquid and gas lah, so that dia punya energy tu can be transferred. Because it's not like electromagnetic wave that can generate his own energy. And it moves slower because it use only a particle. It use particle to transfer the energy. It not generate energy by itself. So it's move slower. This thing you can write in a table like teachers told us to do. But in this case, dia dah ada ruangan, so saya tulis saja. Okay, for the last one, explain why the velocity of the sound is higher in water than in air. Jawapan saya, water particles are closer to each other. Water particles are closer to each other than the air particles. The transfer of sound is more easier and cause it to move faster. Why? Saya tunjuk. Ini water particle. Ini water particle. Gas particle like this. The space between the particle is different. So, for example, I choose for the blue line. The blue line is the wave. Oh, kita tukar lah. Okay, the blue line is the wave. For example, it needs the particle, right? The particle to transfer the energy. So, this particle is closer to each other and can be easier. Can transfer the wave more easier because they're closer to each other. Other than this particle, this is air particle. Air particle is far. The particle is far to each other. So the transfer of the wave is hard. It's a little bit hard because the more energy is needed. So the wave is sounds slower. So because of that, water particle are closer to each other than the air particle. The transfer of sound is more easier and cause it to move faster. When it moves faster, the more energy is transferred, and we can hear the particle and the wave on in the water is more louder than the in the wave in the air. So that is my answer so far, and have a nice day and bye bye.